Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: app installed, permissions granted, and a reliable network. Once done, sign in so your settings sync across devices. This avoids lost profiles later. Next, open Flix Vision and choose either camera mode or upload mode, camera for live capture, upload for existing files. Make sure the device is plugged in to prevent interruptions during processing. These initial steps get you into the workspace quickly and reduce setup friction as you proceed. You now perform the core workflow: capture and configure. Start by framing and locking focus. A stable composition prevents wasted reshoots. Then choose resolution and frame rate. Higher settings give better quality but larger files. Once selected, enable stabilization if needed, and preview a short clip to verify exposure and audio levels. Make manual tweaks for color, temperature, or gain when automatic settings misread the scene. This step ensures your footage requires minimal correction in post, saving time and preserving quality. You finish by refining and exporting. Trim clips, apply filters, and adjust the timeline so the story flows. Export using the recommended codec and bitrate for your destination. Once exported, save a cloud backup and create share links or local files like MP4 for broad compatibility. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip: check available storage, restart the app, and reduce the bitrate. This fixes common export failures quickly. After that, review the final file to confirm everything rendered correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.